Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an account in ChatGPT OpenAI. So let's get started. So just go to Google and type ChatGPT. You will be getting the first link as openai.com ChatGPT optimizing language. So you just click on the first link and you'll be directed to their official website openai.com blog ChatGPT. So here you'll be having an option called as Trade ChatGPT and just click on that. You'll be directed to chat.openai.com. So here we need to sign up and create a new account. Just click on sign up. So here there are multiple ways to create an account. So one is by using Google, another one is using by Microsoft account. I will go with a normal email way of creating my account. So just enter your email over here. So after entering the email, just click on I am not a robot, just a standard check. Okay. So once you're done with the CAPTCHA, just click on continue. So you need to also enter a password over here. So just enter the password that you want. So after entering the password, just click on continue. So in your email, you'll be just getting verified your email. There will be a button in green color. Just click on that. And after that, your email will be verified. So now just refresh this exact same page. All right. So you need to just add your name. I will just go with channel name itself, like Top Tech, something like that. I will just click on continue. So we need to also add our mobile number to it. So just enter your mobile number and you will be getting a OTP. So just enter that. So after giving your mobile number, entering the OTP that you have received, you will be directed to a page like this. So like you can just read it out or just click on next. So you shouldn't give any other sensitive information. Okay, don't give any personal information. Be careful with that and just click on next. And yeah, you can give any feedback if you want to go to their Discord server. If you are having Discord, you can just click on that and go to their Discord server and give some feedbacks and like talk with the community as well. That's your choice and click on done. So this is going to be our ChatGPT interface. So these are some of the example questions that we can ask, capabilities, and these are some of the limitations of ChatGPT. So we can add a new chat over here. I will go with the normal one. So the normal one, what people are doing nowadays is just essays and coding stuff. So I will go with programming rather than essays because my channel is related to programming. So I will just go with a simple one, a beginner basic 5th grade question. Okay, write a program in C++ to print hello world. And after entering it, you will be you can just hit enter or you can just click on this icon, send icon. So yeah, so here is a program that will print hello world to the console. So we got the iOS team, we have got the, and I hope you would have found this video useful. I also run many other tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL. So do check out the videos of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.